What up, guys? It's Luke W. back at you from Corona, California. Here with two of my buddies. This is David and we got Aaron.
What's up?
And what's your guys' last name?
CALI.
Okay, so we got AC and DC. We're out here helping them out with some Amazon FBA tips and tricks pretty much. They're selling some high ticket items and they really want basically just some more help. So what help do you guys need and have you got so far?
You know, so far we had a few things off on our listing, such as the shipping we had wrong. So people were probably trying to order our product already, but just weren't able to select the shipping option. So Luke helped us out with that so far.
Well, yeah, they were pretty much like merchant fulfilled, so it was a little bit out of my realm, but coming out here I was kind of studying up on what we had to do and just hammered through some serious work, and we found out they actually got a sale and it was pending for 7 days, and they weren't able to get the sale because they didn't have their shipping template set up for like a migrated shipping template. So if you're not doing fulfillment by Amazon and you're shipping out of your own house but have a listing on Amazon, it's a little bit more complicated, and we pretty much figured that out for them today. And pretty much their profit margin, like, what are you guys expecting to get like per sale, like on a profit? Like
after shipping and listing fees, it's around like $700 to $800 or so on our lowest end product.
Yeah, like $800 a unit profit. So if we start selling some of these, it's going to be pretty big home run. And we found out a couple things. We're going to give you guys some more updates as this journey continues. But pretty much a quick tip for you guys: if you're looking to get that slash through your sale price, we found out that you actually need the list price and the MSRP price to both be the same number, and then set your sale price to a lower number. And that's the only way you're going to get the slash through it. We actually were on the phone with Seller Central this morning and they walked us through that, as well as a whole lot more tips that we're going to be bringing to you guys pretty soon. So if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel, continue watching. And is there any final words for you guys, David?
You know, we're having a lot of trouble with our listing. So after talking with my brother, I was like, I think we need to call up Luke. We need to fly him out here because, we need some more help. So, yeah, I'm super stoked you came out and helped us. We've improved a lot in our listing in the past 2 days, so we'll keep you guys updated with for what's more to come, and hopefully let's get some sales.
Yeah, we're gonna be bringing it to you. I'll be here till the 12th, so about 6 more days. In the meantime, we're gonna be we've been focusing in the garage and honing in this listing, the PPC, all these other exterior sources, trying to drive traffic into Amazon, from Facebook pages and groups to Instagram posts. But we're pretty much doing all this, and we just thought we'd come get some sun at the skate park. We're gonna hit up LA a little bit later, go to the beaches, maybe meet with some other YouTubers like Matt Loberstein. Hit him up this morning, and we're gonna try and reach and connect with him. Maybe some Tanner Fox action, riding in some Lambos. You never know. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.